flying here. Get out of here. Get the hell out of here. Okay, I'm gonna head over. Lady, I hung a door for exactly a year ago. And I also did a spring change for, so I think she needs an opener. But I'm gonna go out there today, check out what's going on. Should it goes down, comes back up. Remember, I think I even said I went out there another time and I didn't charge her, and I said once in a while you got to do that, and that's what I did. I'm going back there now, so they appreciate it when you don't charge them. They'll call you back. We'll see. I'll get back at you guys when I get there. Here it is.
Hey, John.
Hey, how you doing?
Good.
So
I think basically my husband accidentally disengaged this thing.
That's all it is?
I think. See if that works. I just don't know how to re-engage it.
No, this is actually, did it get caught on something? Because it looked like it ripped out.
Oh.
It was all bent. It was mounted to the door, but.
Oh.
Did it even run, the opener? Didn't you say it wouldn't go down or something? Yeah, if this is off, it won't go down at all. Yeah, it's not even connected to the door.
Right.
So let me see if it runs. Hold on.
Yeah. It's fixable, that's what I want to hear.
Oh yeah, it's fixable. Little thing right here, I'm just gonna flatten it. See how it's bent? That post right there might be a good thing to do it on. There, perfect. Look at that. So I straighten the arm. Traveling good. Everything looks good. Get a rag. Got a little of that old genie grease on me, which I hate working on genies. I used to put them in all the time, and that's why I don't put them in. Here's the 3 that ripped out right there. Yeah, and I straightened a couple of things on the opener itself to maybe.
Did you make new holes then?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're not in the same holes. And then I straightened a few things on the opener so it would, in case that was it, because normally when you go out to a thing like this, they know why it happened.
Yeah.
Like a lot of people leave their hatchback open and they'll hit the door or whatever. So since you don't know, and it's an opener issue, I'm gonna give you a break, but I gotta charge you the minimum service. So I give you $100. It shouldn't happen again. I made sure on everything it's perfectly lined up. Yeah.
Thank you.
All right. Thanks.
All right.
Okay. All right. Still there. I got $249, and I did very little. I put a couple screws in. So they are still willing to pay. The arm ripped out. Probably know why. The hockey arm where the rail was is a little off. You know, I had someone helping me that day, and he might have put the arm back on. I wasn't paying attention, but I always make sure the hockey arm is straight. When you hang an opener originally, you hang it in the middle of the door. So if they have a roll-up door in there, that center stile on the same size door will be in the exact same spot. So there's really no reason to move the opener. So in this case, maybe the other guy put the arm on, I can't remember. So maybe there was pressure on the arm and that kind of made the legs come loose or off, and that's probably what caused it to come off, but I can't say one way or the other. I didn't want to charge her for $349. So that took me less than 10 minutes. $250. Oop, there's a fly in here. Get out of here. Get the hell out of here. Okay. All right, so there you go. Off to the next one. Simple work. Look at my hands. Are they dirty? No. That's it. That's all you got to do. And then you wait for the next one. So if you guys are thinking about doing it, I can mentor you as you go while you're doing the course. Give you what works in this industry. I'll see you in the course. www.garagedoortrainingschool.com. I've been doing it over 40 years. I was trained by the right guys. We used to do jobs all over San Francisco on hills that are off 10 inches from one side to the other on a 8-foot wide door. We did everything on garage doors. So learn the right way, take the course, you do it at your own pace, and you get a lifetime access to it. Most people take 2 to 3 weeks to complete. Some people do it quicker and some people do it longer. The guy right now, I think he's the record. He's like 2 years, he still hasn't passed. Nice guy, talks to us a lot, and I'm sure we'll be talking to you guys too. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe at the bottom there. If you guys want to get into this business, we have a free lesson for you below. Just click below, watch the free lesson. We'll see you in the course.